going to become Queen Elizabeth II. The 95-year-old monarch.
What's wrong with this?
A rare insight into a future without her during her Platinum Jubilee message. She's confirmed Prince Charles's wife Camilla will be Queen Consort when he takes over as king. Europe correspondent Daniel Faitala will have reaction to that shortly, but first he looks back on 7 decades.
What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it?
At 95, the Queen was still in very good form. But today, she does. No British monarch has achieved such a milestone before. 70 years of service.
Why aren't you cold like Tracy?
At the time, she was just 25 years of age. Over the past 7 decades, within Britain,
You're a little bit of a biter, aren't you, my friend?
a constant presence, a head of state who's earned wide respect, guided by duty.
Her ultimate quality has been humility. I think the most successful royals nowadays are the humble ones, who understand that they're part of something bigger than them.
She navigated the clash of public scrutiny with her family's private life, from Princess Diana's death to the departure of Harry and Meghan, to allegations of sexual assault
Ernie
now facing Prince Andrew.
is a
She's also
monk bird, or what do you call it? Quaker parrot, monk bird or a Quaker parrot. They're popular in America, but they're from Argentina. And look,
last year, even more difficult when the Queen.
he's got a nasty reputation of biting us.
Increasingly across the
He's
world,
quite friendly.
she has become, I think,
Just doesn't understand.
Just a bit unpredictable.
Doesn't understand that drawing blood is not cool. Yeah, give me a kiss. Oh. You see your reflection.
See if it works. Oh yes, beautifully.
As she prepares for the beginning of her record-breaking Platinum Jubilee year.
Oh, the Queen's on.
Oh, morning, Daniel.
Anyway, bye, Ernie.